In today's fast-paced world, flexibility and accessibility are paramount. We expect to manage our lives, from communication to entertainment, across a multitude of devices. So, when it comes to managing your business finances, the ability to access your accounting software wherever you are is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. If you're considering Kashoo for your accounting needs, or if you're already a user wondering about its device compatibility, you've come to the right place. Let's break down how Kashoo empowers you to stay on top of your books, no matter the device in your hand. The short and sweet answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely can access Kashoo on virtually any device you own. This is because Kashoo is designed as a cloud-based accounting software. Think of it like your email or your favorite online streaming service. The core application and your data reside securely on remote servers, and you access it through the internet using a web browser. This fundamental design principle is what grants you the freedom to manage your finances from your desktop computer, your laptop, your tablet, or even your smartphone. Let's delve a little deeper into what this means for you and your business. The power of the cloud access without boundaries. Being cloud-based eliminates the traditional constraints of desktop-only software. In the past, you would install accounting software directly onto a specific computer. This meant that to access your financial data, you had to be physically present at that machine. Kashoo breaks free from these limitations. As long as you have an internet connection and a compatible web browser, you can log in to your Kashoo account from anywhere in the world. Imagine this scenario. You're a small business owner attending a conference in another city. A crucial supplier sends you an invoice that needs immediate processing. With traditional software, you'd have to wait until you return to your office. However, with Kashoo, you can simply pull out your laptop or tablet, connect to the hotel Wi-Fi, log in to your Kashoo account, and handle the invoice right then and there. This real-time access can significantly improve your efficiency and help you stay on top of your cash flow, preventing late payment fees and maintaining good supplier relationships. Seamless transitions between devices. Another significant advantage of Kashoo's cloud-based nature is the seamless transition it offers between devices. You could start working on invoicing on your desktop computer in the morning, review your bank reconciliation on your tablet during your lunch break at a cafe, and then check your key financial reports on your smartphone while waiting for an appointment. Kashoo keeps your data synchronized in real time across all devices. This means that any changes you make on one device are instantly reflected on all others. You don't have to worry about emailing files to yourself or dealing with different versions of your data. It's all there, up to date whenever and wherever you need it. Compatibility across operating systems. Because Kashoo is accessed through a web browser, it is inherently compatible with a wide range of operating systems. Whether you're a die-hard Windows user, a loyal macOS enthusiast, or prefer the flexibility of Chrome OS, you can access Kashoo without any compatibility issues. Similarly, on the mobile front, as long as your tablet or smartphone has a modern web browser, like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, you can access your Kashoo account. This eliminates the need to purchase specific devices or worry about whether your current technology will work with your accounting software. Security and reliability in the cloud. While the accessibility of cloud-based software is a major benefit, security is understandably a top concern for business owners. Kashoo understands this and employs robust security measures to protect your financial data. These measures typically include data encryption, secure servers, and regular backups. This often provides a higher level of security than storing your financial data on a single local computer, which could be vulnerable to hardware failure, theft, or cyber attacks. Furthermore, cloud-based platforms like Kashoo often offer greater reliability. Software updates and maintenance are handled by the provider, meaning you don't have to worry about manually installing updates or dealing with potential technical glitches that can arise from outdated software. This ensures that you're always working with the latest version of the software, with the newest features and security enhancements, optimized for different screen sizes. While the core functionality of Kashoo remains consistent across devices, the user interface is generally designed to be responsive, meaning it adapts to the screen size of the device you're using. This ensures a more comfortable and efficient user experience, whether you're navigating the larger screen of a desktop or the smaller screen of a smartphone. While some tasks might be easier to perform on a larger screen, The ability to quickly check key information or handle urgent tasks on your mobile device is invaluable.